watching the station covering all of the DMV. DC News Now continues.
On this Memorial Day Monday, you do want to make sure that you are staying weather aware for any of your travel plans or for any of those outdoor plans you may have on the holiday, just because there is that possibility for some strong to severe thunderstorms later on this afternoon. That severe outlook, slight risk for most of our area. All those areas shaded in yellow, that's at 2 out of 5 on that severe scale. So it's a little bit more elevated than that marginal risk, which is in the green, back over towards western Maryland and parts of West Virginia. That is where we are starting off with a few rain showers right now, so that will limit any of that potential for some stronger storms to develop later on today. So where we are starting off with some showers, that will limit that potential for those strong thunderstorms later on today. And we're seeing that back over towards Garrett County as well as parts of West Virginia, seeing some of that rain starting off this morning. But a wider view of that severe outlook for the day today does not only include our area, but it's also including much of the eastern seaboard. So if you do have travel plans today, could be impacted, especially as far south as down towards parts of Georgia and the Gulf states there. And even as you head farther off towards the north across parts of Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and even into upstate New York. So heads up, the system is quite expansive. Satellite and radar just showing you a wider view. We have this warm front lifting in, and we're going to be watching this cold front back out towards our west. Out ahead of that, that's where we will be tracking any of those showers or thunderstorms that could be on the stronger side later on this afternoon. Out there for at least later on this morning, we could see a few of those spotty showers. Aside from that, it's later on this afternoon that we really start to notice some of those cells that could include some heavy downpours, the potential for hail, gusty winds too. And with any of those heavier downpours, there could be that localized flood threat as well. So as a view of 6 p.m. as we see that line push its way from west to east, and eventually that will slide out later on this evening, closer to or a little bit after sunset. And sunset's a little bit after 8 p.m. these days. So again, between 3 and 8 p.m., that's really when you want to make sure that you are staying weather aware. And I know that's not ideal timing, especially when you time it out with that Memorial Day holiday travel. So heads up again for that potential for some of those stronger thunderstorms. So flooding, strong winds, and hail, those will be the main impacts with today. But tornadoes, it's a low threat, but it's not zero. There is that potential there for any of those spin ups. So we'll continue to monitor that. Highs today will top out into those middle 80s for most areas, going with a high of 86 in DC. As we get towards tomorrow, we're looking at those 80s again, but a little bit cooler back farther off towards the north and west Cumberland. Highs are likely into the upper 70s as we get towards your Tuesday. Tuesday will be a little bit quieter than the day today. There could be that pop-up thunderstorm in the afternoon, but overall looking like Tuesday most of the day, and most areas are dry. As we get towards Wednesday, we could see a few showers popping up, especially into the afternoon hours. Then Thursday and Friday, we're looking drier under mainly sun-filled skies, and really a much more refreshing air mass towards Thursday and Friday with high temperatures likely into the lower 70s. So it'll be very nice to round out this work week. So here's the rest of that 7-day outlook. We're into those middle 80s today and tomorrow. As we look ahead towards Wednesday, we're upper 70s. And like I mentioned, much more refreshing for Thursday and Friday, mainly sunny, highs lower 70s. Now for the first weekend of June, we're looking at highs right around 80 on Saturday as well as Sunday, and we're looking at drier conditions. So let's hope that stays that way as both days are looking dry. And I mean, we haven't seen that for quite some time. Now, right now, I do want to toss it over to Liberty with another check of those roadways.